Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Yoga Tab Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and find more security and privacy, and here in this section you have to find install unknown apps. It should be under this security section. So let's tap on it, and here we've got some apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the specific app, in my case it is Opera, and then tap on this switcher. After getting back you can see that the Opera is right now allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Opera is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.